Coming up in this video, super excited by this one as well. I get excited a lot by my videos. This is a limoncello cocktail, and it's kind of my version of a lemon meringue pie. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits and liqueurs and anything you fancy off the back bar even more. I give you drinks inspiration about your favourite products and brands. Right, today there's a cool little garnish finish into this cocktail. Absolutely love this. It's a martini serve, so I'm just going to chill this glass down. Just going to get a bit of crushed ice in there. A nice cold glass to finish up with. Right, this is going to get made in our cocktail shaker. Oh, I love this cocktail so much. A few little flips and tricks. It's not quite the original recipe for a lemon meringue pie. It's my version, my tastier version. It's amazing. Right, limoncello, my brand of choice. I'm just going 15ml. All right, double bubble. Actually, I'm not. I'm going 40ml. Apologies, false start. 40ml. Yeah. Second ingredient, because we've got another little bit of booze going on. Another little bit of booze. Oh, one of my favourite. This is going to get used in a lot of videos. I love this stuff. Absolutely love it. Liquor 43. I've done a couple of videos on this now. Super tasty, vibrant, vanilla, herbal liqueur. Oh, so good. Spanish, love it. To be honest, they just tell me that they have it with coffee, but I think they do a lot more with it than that. But oh, it's amazing. Espresso martinis without it, it's so mad, delicious. Right, 15ml liquor 43. Here we go. Right, there's two ingredients. Third ingredient we want is some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I want 10ml of lemon juice. And now I just want a little bit of sugar, and we want about 10ml of sugar in here as well. Right, that's the first bit. Actually, I've had a change of mind. We're going for that glass. Just going to chill this one down. I just want to get the froth effect a bit more in there. There we go. Right, let's go in that one. Just leave that down there for one side. I could even go smaller than that, but that'll do for now. Right, I just need to ice that up and shake it. And there's a bit more coming to it, don't worry. This is not it. You've got to stay tuned for the finish. Right, that's that. If you really want to give this a different name, it's kind of lemon... Well, it's like a lemon meringue martini, lemon meringue pie martini, something like that. Give it a crazy name. You can get a hold of my free cocktail book in any of my comments on any of my videos. So get yourselves the free cocktail book, download that. My updated version, no, I update it every single month. I add at least 10 or 12 recipes. That is a perk of my Patreon tier, so go and check that out. Also other perks. I've got my whole Learn with STB, my whole sort of online courses, exclusive content in there, weekly serve suggestions for lots of different spirits, all that sort of stuff. So go and check out my Patreon. Right, hard and fast shake, 10-12 seconds. Right, that bit is done. Right, we can get rid of that ice there, that's nicely chilled. Then I'm just going to double strain this in there. We should have left a bit of room for the top. Yes. Right. Perfect. Now I just need to, you'll hear a clatter. Here we go, in my sink. Right, I've got a finishing bit to this. It's not my sink at all, it's like a little wash up area I've got over there I've created. It's a little trolley on wheels, it's perfect for this. Right, my kind of froth foam going on top. I love this. Going for some orgeat. I want 25ml of orgeat syrup. In a shaker. Then I want 25ml of just a bottled water I've got there, but just 25ml bottled water. Perfect. That's that. Now I'm going for my all-star ingredient, which I absolutely love. Ms. Better's Bitters Miraculous Foamer. Gonna have an almond froth on top of this, isn't we? Right, about, too much. There we go, about 1/3 to 1/4 of a pipette. Now just going to quickly ice a couple of cubes, not too much. And I'm just going to, let's get rid of that. Give this a good hard shake as well, and we should end up with some nice proper froth. Look at that! We've got an almond foam. Oh, what a finishing touch. Hopefully this will just float on top. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Still a bit left in there. About half it left in there. And then just to garnish, I'm going for a dehydrated lemon. Let's get that one. Amazing. And that is my lemon meringue, my lemon pie martini, whatever we're going to call it from here on in. Oh, stunning. Right, popping up on screen now will be more videos for your enjoyment. Oh, the almonds. The almond and the lemon. Oh, oh, that's so good. Oh, cheers.